DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely low mileage Jaguar XF. It's the facelift model, absolutely fantastic condition. As you can see, finished in silver. Paintwork's absolutely gleaming. Alloys are in lovely condition. Rear park distance control, reverse camera. Absolutely stunning. Boot area is in lovely condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors. So, lovely portfolio interior. No wear whatsoever on the car. There's the electric windows, electric mirrors. So the bolster. The high level of spec on the car. It's done 37,172 miles. Just started up. As you can see, satellite navigation, the air vents open up. Reverse park camera. Heated seats. Climate control. Full media pack. It's got paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel. You can hear that, feel that heated seat. Different driving style modes. aux USB, SD card for your sat nav. Really is in lovely condition. What I don't get in a Jag, you also get this for your glass holder. Don't get one of those in a Range Rover. Strange. At DJH, we're full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please just come on 07503 751 005. Thank you.